We're going to take a look at ES on multiple time frames and end off with NQ. And then we may check out the VIX as well. Thanks for joining us here at Options Center. If you are new here, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Options Center logo, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us here. We have ES on the monthly time frame, rejecting off of this resistance up here, pushing down. We're getting a little bit of follow through from that reversal candle. We're still underneath the 8 EMA, but it's still going sideways. So, you know, clearly we're in a range. We're in a sideways range until proven otherwise. Let's go over to the weekly. If you are following me and you've seen the past videos, then you're going to know that we're constantly checking the higher time frames to see what's going on, and then we can make decisions on the lower time frame. Okay. Now, if you look at this channel here, we held this channel before. That's the channel bottom. We came back to it and tested it here. Clearly, there's a reaction off of there, but we're still in a bearish stance. So we have lower highs and lower lows. That goes for this lower high as well. We have not broken underneath that 800 zone. So that's the super important. What's going on here is this price action is choppy. You do have some nice large moves there, but you got to be careful because the bulls don't want to give this up. They give up this bottom of the channel. There's a whole nother series of lows that are going to come back underneath. So far in the week, we still have a couple of days left. It's looking like a hammer candle, and we may have to take some longs off of that if that's the case. But let's see how the week ends. Overnight here, I think, is pretty key. So stick around. We're going to check out the 65-minute. But so far, if you see this bow and arrow type support resistance, we're right at the apex of this triangle. And that's the center that we got underneath it. We got over it constantly, over and over, right? Well, we're getting really close to the apex of where I think there's going to be some real big moves, whether it's to the upside or downside. I'm still, like I said, we're in a bearish position. We're underneath all the EMAs. We're retesting them now. We do have a bearish crossover, but we're right at the neutral mark. So it's going to be real confusing until we get this decisive move. Let's go down to the daily. The daily trend is our friend. And don't forget, we do these videos all the time. So hit that notification button so you can check out all the information that we put out there. Keep you updated all the time. Now, same. We're right underneath all the EMAs. We're back testing that 200-day moving average along with the 8 EMA. Are we going to hold it overnight? I don't know. It's tough. It's tough to say, but until we get over those, I don't think so. All right. All we're doing is consolidating. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're in the 5th day of this range, which to me says continuation. Now, the 3,800 is the next level that we have to test, and then underneath there, literally drops to the 3,700 area. You know, it's not going to be in a straight line, but if this is a continuation, we're probably going to see that pretty quick. Okay, let's go to the 65-minute. And don't forget to like these videos. Thank you very much. I really appreciate all the support. We've had so much support lately. Now check this out. How does this look if you triangulate right here? We've just been consolidating, tightening up into a triangle. We're at the top of that triangle, and we are starting to, at this time, overnight, reverse off of here. Now, these are 3-wave moves, okay? It's possible that this is a triangle where you can count it as A, B, C, D, E, finished down, okay? That's possible, so that would be a wave 4 because you don't see those in a wave 2. If this is just clearly a 1, 2, 1, 2, then we're going to go much further down, all right? Those are 2 bearish counts. We start breaking this triangle to the upside, then we still have another bearish count, but it's going to be from much higher, okay? Because there's many ways you can count. They're all over the place. I see them on FinTwit and all these other things where you have all of this series is a wave 1 and up. I follow, oh my gosh, Trading Lounge. I follow Trading Lounge, and he does such a good job on Elliott Wave. So I don't want to just reproduce his stuff and just So, but he has a 1 2 1 2 1 2 is possible. All of this is one series, and then you get a retracement and then down. So many things that could happen. But we're gonna play it day by day. And right now, this bearish setup is happening right here, unless we get above this high. We break above this high, but if we break above this level here, 39.50, and this downtrend, that's going to give us a clue. But really, technically, it's above this high here, which is, I'm looking right now, 39.72.5. Get above that, and that negates any of this very bearish move here. Okay, let's take a look at NQ. And the reason why is because it's real decisive. This is going to help us make decisions. We have this channel that we're in. Okay, it's really clear. No matter what you count, if you take traditional technical analysis, we have a downtrend line. We're at the downtrend line, and we are rejecting off of it as we speak. We get above there, we start to break out. You can consider this a breakout series. We did not make a new high off of here. Okay. Let's see. This looks like 12.474. 12.4. Yeah, we did not break this high yet, which kind of changes things. But this downtrend line is where it's key. This is a lot of people are looking at this as a large bull flag. Well, we need to break above it, and then we can look at some longs with some of the other like Amazon and some of the things that have been really depressed. They look like they're in a wedge formation trying to break out and things like that. So we start breaking out from this downtrend line, we can look for some longs coming out soon. Other than that, look for the next range. And I don't think this is gonna hold either way. Whenever we make a move, it's gonna be a big move. Okay, this is a large channel. Break out, we're gonna go much higher. Break down from this channel, we're gonna go much lower. And this is a very key trend line from a long-term range here. We start breaking out from that, and see ya. We are in recessionville. So, but until we get there, we can't just anticipate. We are in puts. Don't get me wrong. We're bearish on Tesla, Nvidia, gosh, well, pretty much everything, I guess. But those are some of the positions we have. We did make a new high, which opens up a breakout to the higher above this 28.3 resistance. Now you see this uptrend line. We're in an uptrend on the VIX, so we have to consider that. We got above this 24.50, 25 area, and now we're holding against it. We're considering that support from here, and we'll see. We're kind of forming this ascending triangle, right? Obeying the uptrend and making high after high after high, and getting stronger in the VIX. We start breaking above these levels here, and let me show you what. That's a huge triangle. Okay, let me go on the daily. Start breaking above that, and that says bearish all over it. Okay, rejected. We're right now just rejecting off it. We're holding support. We get above it. It's again, that's just another thing that says that goodbye. But you can play this to the downside. You can short it. I wouldn't, because we're at a downtrend. You see that in MACD? We're at the downtrend. It's possible that it reverses from here, but all the other key elements, we'll talk about them in throughout other videos, and they point bearish, and so that's why we continue to do so, and we'll turn bullish when necessary. We're not perma bears. We are traders, so we trade to the downside, we trade to the upside. That's the key. But when it comes to analysis, we gotta go with the trend. I want to short things when we're in a down market. I want to go long when we're trending to the upside in the macro. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna stop jabbing your ear off. We're right at 10 minutes. That's our key. Have a good day. Have a great night. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Check out my subscribe and like, because I do shorts as well. So pre-market and shorts, or check me on Twitter.